So here's how to add green screen in Capcut. Let's start off with the Capcut application. Once you're here, go to the Import section above to view your imported pictures or videos. Make sure to have a green screen video imported as well. Choose a picture and drag it to the section below. After that, drag the green screen video as well to the editing section. Edit the time of the picture to match the green screen video duration. Now, go to the cutout section at the top right. Here, click on the chroma key box. Then, hold the icon beside color picker and drag it over to the video. You can then change the strength and shadow levels below. Once you're done, click on the play button to see a preview. And that's it. Following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and add green screen in Capcut.